What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your middle of the day market update. If you have not seen any of my videos in the last 2 days, I'm back from vacation. Was on vacation from the what was it like Tuesday, not last week but the week before. Was on vacation. I'm back now. Had some videos uploaded. I mean, in general, there were some good videos. So check those out. We're also still active, or was also still active in the Signal group. Also posted posted signals during the vacation, but also afterwards. So if you're interested in that, we're fully back on. I expect the markets to be quite good to trade. So if you want to become a better trader and get some profitable trades, join that. All right. I personally think it's one of the best Signal groups in the entire space. It's actually profitable, and we have a great community. So make sure to join that if you're interested in that. But in this video, we will focus on the markets today, and also a little bit for next week, and a little bit for tomorrow. Because obviously, I mean, Sunday into Monday, new week is opening, usually gets a lot of volatility. Volume is still relatively high right now at $19.6 billion. But what you can see if you look at Bitcoin, so we'll talk about Bitcoin first, then we'll talk about some altcoins, because some altcoins are very interesting. But if you look at Bitcoin right now, you can see there's a ton of liquidity around the price. So what's usually happening when that's the case, especially on a Sunday to Monday, is that we'll grab both of those liquidity levels, right? So we'll see a lot of volatility, is my expectation for now. But ultimately, and I also expressed that earlier in the premium group, but also on X, so make sure to follow me there if you're interested in that. A little bit of a hiccup. Ultimately, I think we're in for a pullback, all right? I think the bullish breakout we had on Friday, I think that's valid. I think that's legit. But due to the liquidity and just in general, market structure, I would say we first dipped down into that 61,000 level, perhaps a little bit higher at 62,500, but dip down there, find support, and then ultimately get that continuation up to 66, 67, and 68. And then afterwards, we'll talk about 70, 72, and the possibility of doing that. But that's what I would expect for now. All right. So especially in the next 8 hours, a lot of volatility. Now 11 hours, like kind of into Monday night, a lot of volatility. Then bullish continuation next week is what I expect for now. But it does depend a little bit on the next 24 hours. All right. So I'll obviously keep you updated on that. But that's what I expect in terms of Bitcoin. Bitcoin today has been relatively strong. Bitcoin dominance quite high, so not sure. Like altcoins right now are quite correlated, all right? So I think altcoins are going to be very volatile as well. Be careful. Some coins are a little bit uncorrelated, like Fetch is bouncing very well, which, by the way, we took a trade on Fetch in the Signal group at 1.17.5. If you join the free Telegram group, I can send proof of that if you want to, but I wouldn't lie about that. Great entry so far. That's bouncing well. In general, I think AI coins to get into altcoins. All right. So you know what I expect from Bitcoin. When we're talking about altcoins, I think AI coins, and especially at this moment, Render, Fetch, and Tau or BitTensor, I think those are the most interesting coins at this point of time. I think they can perform very, very well, especially in the next month. And outside of that, it's quite a lot of coins to trade. I would stay away from Ton and Not as long as there's no real clarity about the situation of Pavel Durov, who yesterday got arrested, as most of you know. Talked about that earlier this morning as well. So I would stay away from those. I mean, especially Notcoin is still dropping down. Ton is also testing that level around $5 probably. So be careful for that. But there's quite a lot of coins that are interesting outside of AI. When you look at the volume right now, like there's some great alerts going off on something like Render, but we already talked about that. But no, if you look at a Sats, Ordi, but also those coins like, and now I'm just going to name coins, all right? But also if you look at coins like Say, and that whole narrative, so Injective, Aptos, Celestia, and Sui, those are all very, very close to getting major bullish breakouts, all right? So keep an eye on those. Celestia, if it breaks above $6, major bullish breakout. Aptos, if it's able to break above 7.5, major bullish breakout. Injective, if it's able to break above 22.5, major bullish breakout. And Say has already arguably broken out. So Say and Sui, I would say, are the most bullish right now. outside of that, yeah, Ordi, like I said, Sats, those are ordinals cryptos, right? So Ordi, Sats, and Rats, quite interesting. And that's about it for now, all right? So the main thing, like I said, the entire market is still very correlated. So the main thing to focus on is Bitcoin. But if you want to focus on some altcoins, stick to those AI coins and that whole narrative with Injective, Sui, Sei, Celestia, and Aptos. Those are my thoughts for now, all right? I'll keep you updated on more regarding the markets, but for now, that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.